The field of medicine is constantly evolving, and as our understanding of the human body deepens, so too does our ability to improve health outcomes and increase lifespan. In this article, we'll explore three fascinating areas of medical science that have far-reaching implications for longevity, disease prevention, and overall well-being. The science and secrets of longevity, vaccines, past, present, and future, and the mystery of the human microbiome. The science and secrets of longevity. Living beyond the age of 100 is no longer an impossible dream for many people around the world. In fact, there are regions known as blue zones, where people regularly live past 100 and maintain good health into old age. What makes these populations special? Is there a secret to longevity, or is it a combination of genetics, lifestyle choices, and environment? The genetics of longevity. Genetics undoubtedly play a crucial role in determining how long a person can live. While lifestyle factors like diet and exercise are important, certain genetic variations have been identified that contribute to a longer, healthier life. One of the key genetic factors linked to longevity is the presence of longevity genes, such as those involved in DNA repair, inflammation regulation, and stress resistance. For instance, a gene called FOXO3 has been associated with longer life expectancy. Individuals who carry certain variations of FOXO3 are more likely to reach 100 years or more. This gene is believed to play a role in protecting cells from stress and damage, thus slowing the aging process. Other genes involved in longevity include sirtuins, a family of proteins that regulate cellular health, and APOE, a gene involved in lipid metabolism, which can affect the development of age-related diseases such as Alzheimer's. However, genetics alone don't determine longevity, as environmental and lifestyle factors also play a significant role. Lessons from the blue zones. The blue zones are 5 regions of the world where people tend to live longer, healthier lives compared to other populations. These regions, Okinawa, Japan, Sardinia, Italy, Nicoya Peninsula, Costa Rica, Ikaria, Greece, and Loma Linda, California, USA, offer valuable insights into how lifestyle choices can impact longevity. Here are some common traits shared by people living in these blue zones. Plant-based diets. Inhabitants of blue zones typically consume diets rich in fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. The Mediterranean diet, which emphasizes olive oil, nuts, and moderate consumption of fish, is prevalent in many blue zones, particularly in Sardinia and Ikaria. Okinawans eat a diet rich in sweet potatoes, soybeans, and green leafy vegetables. These foods are high in antioxidants, fiber, and other nutrients that promote longevity. Regular physical activity. People in blue zones engage in physical activity naturally through daily routines. Rather than relying on gym workouts or structured exercise, they remain active by walking, gardening, and performing physical tasks in their communities. This daily movement helps maintain cardiovascular health, muscle strength, and flexibility well into old age. Social connections. Strong social ties and a sense of community are common in blue zones. These regions place a strong emphasis on family, friendships, and social gatherings. Research suggests that social engagement and a strong support system can reduce stress and improve mental and physical health. Vaccines, past, present, and future. Vaccines have been one of the most transformative medical advancements in history. They have eradicated or greatly reduced the prevalence of deadly diseases, such as smallpox, polio, and measles. However, as new diseases emerge, vaccines continue to play a crucial role in protecting public health. Let's explore the history of vaccines, debunk common myths, and examine future developments in vaccine technology. The history of vaccines. The story of vaccines begins with Edward Jenner, an English physician who, in 1796, discovered that inoculating people with cowpox, a less severe disease related to smallpox, provided protection against smallpox. Jenner's work laid the foundation for modern immunology and the development of vaccines. The 20th century saw the rise of mass vaccination programs, with vaccines being developed for diseases such as diphtheria, tetanus, and tuberculosis. The global smallpox eradication program, led by the World Health Organization (WHO), achieved the complete eradication of smallpox in 1980, an unprecedented victory for public health. Polio, another disease once feared for its ability to cause paralysis, was virtually eradicated in most parts of the world due to the development of the polio vaccine by Jonas Salk in the 1950s. This was followed by the oral polio vaccine, which played a key role in reducing polio cases globally. Debunking vaccine myths. Despite the success of vaccines in reducing the prevalence of infectious diseases, vaccine misinformation has become widespread, particularly on social media. Let's address some common myths. Vaccines cause autism. This myth originated from a now discredited study published by Andrew Wakefield in 1998, which falsely linked the MMR, measles, mumps, rubella vaccine to autism. Subsequent research has found no evidence of any such connection. The original study was retracted and Wakefield lost his medical license. Vaccines contain harmful toxins. While it's true that vaccines contain ingredients to preserve their effectiveness, like aluminum salts or formaldehyde, these substances are present in very small amounts, far below levels that would be harmful to humans. The ingredients are thoroughly tested for safety, and the benefits of vaccination far outweigh any potential risks. Natural immunity is better than vaccine-acquired immunity. While natural immunity from an infection can sometimes be stronger, it often comes at a high cost, including severe illness or death. Vaccines provide a safer way to acquire immunity without the risk of developing the disease. What is the microbiome? The microbiome refers to the community of microorganisms that live in various parts of our body, including the gut, skin, mouth, and respiratory system. While many of these microbes are beneficial, others can be harmful if allowed to proliferate. The most well-known microbiome is the gut microbiome, which consists of bacteria that help digest food, synthesize essential vitamins, and regulate the immune system. Recent research has revealed that the microbiome also plays a key role in regulating our mood, behavior, and even our weight. It has been suggested that the microbiome may influence conditions such as depression, anxiety, and obesity, though much of this research is still in the early stages. The gut-brain connection. One of the most fascinating discoveries in microbiome research is the gut-brain connection. The gut and brain are connected via the vagus nerve, a long nerve that allows communication between the two. The microbiome influences the gut's ability to absorb nutrients and produce neurotransmitters such as serotonin, which is critical for mood regulation. In fact, about 90% of serotonin is produced in the gut, and research suggests that imbalances in the microbiome may contribute to mental health disorders like depression and anxiety. Studies have shown that probiotics, beneficial bacteria, and prebiotics, foods that promote the growth of good bacteria, can have positive effects on mood and mental health. As a result, researchers are exploring ways to modify the microbiome through diet, supplements, and other interventions to improve both physical and mental health. The fields of longevity, vaccines, and the human microbiome are rapidly evolving, offering exciting possibilities for improving health and extending life. Whether it's uncovering the genetic factors that contribute to long life, developing next-generation vaccines, or exploring the mysteries of the microbiome, medical science continues to provide new insights that could change the way we think about health and disease. As we move into the future, these areas of research will likely have profound impacts on how we live, how we prevent disease, and how we approach overall well-being. By continuing to investigate the science behind longevity, the effectiveness of vaccines, and the complexity of our microbiomes, we can pave the way for healthier, longer lives.